KFC paid parents to do this with their kid. You see, in 2018, KFC launched one of the strangest promotions in fast food history. They offered $11,000 to any parents in the US who had a baby on September 9th, the birthday of Colonel Harlan Sanders, but only if they named the child Harlan in his honor. Surprisingly, a baby girl was born on that exact date. Her parents agreed to the name, and she was officially called Harlan Rose. True to their word, KFC gave them the prize money. Just like that, KFC got nationwide attention with one of the quirkiest marketing stunts ever.